Hi there, students. Okay, I've noticed that some of you are confused by the difference between all and whole. Okay, the quick and dirty way of telling the difference between the two is we use whole for singular countables. The whole lemon. Okay? The lemon is countable, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we use whole for that. And we're thinking about the complete unit. All we can use for countables that are plural, all the lemons on the windowsill, all the coins in my pocket. We can use it for countables singular, not all the lemon is yellow. And we can also use all for uncountables. All the lemon juice in this glass. Okay? So, you want to use whole for singular countables. Very often we use whole by making something countable. So we can't say the whole lemon juice or the whole water, but we can say the whole glass of lemon juice. He drank the whole glass of water. Okay? So, all the lemons, the whole lemon, the whole collection of lemons. Collection is making it countable again. So you might ask, for example, what about all the time or the whole time? Well, in this case, time is acting as a countable. The whole time I was at home, that's one countable unit. All the time that I was at home, one countable unit. Notice when we use all, normally we're thinking about the individual parts, each and every one of the individual parts. Whereas when we use whole, we're talking about the unit, the complete thing. He ate the whole cake, the whole thing. The entire thing. He ate all the cake, all of the pieces. Okay? So, if you've got more confusions about all or whole, please post your questions. So anyway, enough. All and whole. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. All and whole. I'm sorry about the noise of the rain on the roof.